Hello everyone, this is Aman Prasad Kalwar and currently I am doing data science and business analytics internship at the Sparks Foundation. So here I have completed my first task, which is prediction of percentage of an student based on the number of study hours. So let's see the code. Here, first of all, I have imported the necessary libraries, which is pandas, numpy and matplotlib. So here I have imported pandas to import and analyze our data, numpy to perform the multidimensional operations, and matplotlib to perform the graphical plot of the data. Next thing is I have loaded the data into the program so that the desired operations can be performed. So I have used panda to import the data or load the data into the program. So in order to confirm that the data is loaded successfully, I have used this print statement. Next thing is I have used this head function to print the top 5 or to view the top 5 of the data. Similarly, I have used tail function to view the last 5 rows and columns of the data. Next thing is we will check if there is any null value in the data. In case of our data, there is no null value, as the isNull function returns false. So if there is any null value in the data, we will remove it. So in case of our data there is no null value, so we are good to go, and now we will visualize our data. So here I have used the hours studies along x-axis and percentage scored along y-axis to plot the data, which is hours versus percentage. And as can be seen from the graph, there is linear relation between the numbers of hours studied and the percentage scored. So if a student studies for more number of hours, then he or she will score more percentage, or percentage score will be more. So in order to confirm the relation, I have printed this, and it can be seen from the output the relation is confirmed that it is linear. Next thing is we will divide the dataset into attributes and labels. So I have done the same, and after that we need to split the data into training and test sets. So I have used scikit-learn's built-in method, which is train test split. So I have done that, and after that we need to train the algorithm. So I have trained the algorithm, and in order to ensure that it is trained successfully, I have printed this statement which returns model trained successfully. After that we need to plot the test data using the previously tested trained test data. So I have done the same, and here it can be seen from the graph that the model is quite accurate. So after that we will predict the score, and for that I have first printed the test data and then the predicted score, so which is here again printed as output. So here we can see that the hours is printed along with the predicted score. So this is the score which is predicted by the model. Next thing is we need to compare the actual values versus predicted values to see the accuracy of the model. So here, as in the output, it can be seen in the output our actual score and predicted score. So the model is working quite good and accuracy is actually quite good. So in order to visualize this comparison, I have used bar graph, which shows the actual versus predicted percentages. So here the blue bar represents the actual score and the yellow bar represents the predicted score. So it can be seen from the data, seen from the plot of the graph. Next thing is evaluating our model. So here I have found the mean absolute error. So as it can be seen that the value of mean absolute error is very less. That means that the chances of error or wrong forecasting through our model is very less. Okay. Next thing is as asked in the question, like we need to predict the score if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day. So I have written the code, and according to it, our model predicted that if a student studies for 9.25 hours per day, then his or her predicted percentage will be 93.692. Okay, so this is the model, that linear regression model that I have created. Okay, and according to its prediction, the predicted percentage is 93.692. Thank you.